Welcome to the farm.
Welcome to the farm. I'm Justin, and today we got our Cub Cadet lawnmower in the shop. We got a flat tire we need to take care of. Let's get it off the tractor and see if we can't get it fixed. The front tire should be fairly easy to take off. Should just have to straighten out this cotter pin and hopefully pull it right out. So this tire has a pretty substantial leak. I can't even make it halfway through mowing my lawn before it goes flat on me again. And I know that it's got a hole somewhere in the tread pattern here. I could take the time, take this apart and try to patch the tire. But I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead and throw a tube in it. So the first thing I need to do is pop the wheel off the bead of the rim. Now with the bead loose on the rim, I gotta try to remove that old valve stem. I think I'm gonna try to just see if I can't pry it out from the reverse side. All right, so I got the old valve stem out. What I ended up doing is just ripping it in half. Got that out. All right, so now for the really tricky part, I gotta try to get the tube inside the tire without pitching it and bending it. I might actually try to just take this bead off the rim here.
I had a really hard time getting the tire spoons in between the rim and the tire because the spoons are so big and the tire and rim were just so small. It really just fought each other. But eventually I got the tire off the rim. I gotta say, the worst thing I think about doing tires is just trying to get the tire bead to pop loose from the rim. It's a pain.
All right, so I got the tire loose, both beads loose. Go ahead and stick the tube inside the tire. Around the rim. Get the valve stem in. And now, just gotta put the tire back on the rim.
I had the same issue I had taking the tire off the rim. The spoons are just so big for this application that I had a really hard time getting them to fit and actually slide the tire over the rim.
So now we can go ahead and inflate our tube. These tires are only rated for 14 psi, so I turned the regulator of my compressor down to about 20. Now we gotta make sure we go ahead and hold our valve stem because there's nothing securing it to the rim. If you push too hard, you'll push it right in the rim, and then you gotta try to dig it back out.
I ended up upping the PSI on my air compressor a little bit. As you can hear in the video, my air system is not in the best shape anymore. Both the tire inflator itself and the two fittings meeting together, the hose and the tire inflator, are worn out, cracked, not working the best. So I had to increase the PSI to be able to get enough air into the tire to get the beads to seat and fill it up.
All right, there we go. Let's go put this back on the tractor. Well, there you have it. For about $8 in about 20 to 30 minutes, tires fixed, ready to go. Now we can go ahead and mow. Hopefully you guys found this entertaining and you learned something. I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.